especially, you know, when in the old days, when, you know, in order for the out, you know, the out, what the fuck is that? Whoa, that's like the closest thing I've ever seen to a UFO. What the fuck was that? Dude, something. I'm stopped at a red light on Kapilani facing Eva, and there was this orb next to a building. Oh, there goes another one. What the fuck is that? It's an orb just going straight up into the air really fast, and then it just disappears. It's just an orb, just a round thing, but I mean, it's almost like somebody released like one of those metallic balloons, but it was like, it went up like way faster than a balloon would go up, and then when it reached the top of the building, it just disappeared into the clouds, like below the clouds, but before it got to the clouds, it just disappeared. I'm in front of the convention center facing Eva, and so it's that new nice glass building that they just built, like where the faux one is. Yeah, that new building. It was almost like there was a rope or something that like if you were bringing equipment to the top, like one of those buckets for like cement or something like that. But it just went straight up, and it was moving at like, I would say about 40 feet a second. What the fuck? That was crazy. Sorry to disrupt everything, but that is like the closest thing I've ever seen to a UFO. Anyway, yeah, what I was going to say was that what they need to do, and the Republicans need to do this so that they get credit for it, is they need to make it easier for these migrants to legally come into America. They need to hire a shitload of workers to go down there and go through their documentation and process them so that they are legal. Hold on, I got an ambulance coming up behind me. Okay, I put you on speaker.
Here comes my ride.
So, I just drove past the building, and I don't see anything there. There's no ropes or anything that could have made that thing go up into the sky.
Especially, you know, when in the old days, when you know, in order for the out, you know, the out, what the fuck is that? Whoa, that's like the closest thing I've ever seen to a UFO. What the fuck was that? Dude, something. I'm stopped at a red light on Kapilani facing Eva, and there was this orb next to a building. Oh, there goes another one. What the fuck is that?